Dental implants provide a solution for replacing missing teeth. What we do is we'll be placing a root form titanium implant into the extracted socket site. We'll be restoring that over the course of 3 to 6 months with a tooth that will be able to function and see. It is a individual tooth replacement, or can be used to replace multiple missing teeth to provide a larger structure for the teeth to sit on. A dental implant's a great solution because it allows us to leave the teeth either side of the space alone and not have to do any dentistry on those teeth that could cause trauma and cause issues for those teeth. When we don't have teeth to help stimulate the bone and to really help maintain that bone, the jaw withers and bone loss occurs. Dental implants are the best solution for replacing missing teeth because there are so many advantages that are available with them. It gives our patients a lifetime of smiles. It gives them something that they can feel confident about, something that is easily maintainable. It's easily taken care of with regular routine oral care, and it feels like a natural tooth, and having something that was missing become part of you again. I think it's important for anyone who's missing teeth, or from one tooth to many teeth, to come in and schedule a consultation to discuss the benefits of dental implants.